Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant and enter Voice Match. Enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree, and follow the instructions. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap Finish, and let's try it out. Hey Google. OK, now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and let's enter lock screen. Tap Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 72 and a low of 52.
And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.